Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is characteristics and life processes of organisms. Classification of plants. A variety of plants are present around us. Many of them have similar basic structures, e.g., leaves, stem, roots. Plants has differences also: seed production, spores production, flowers production. On the basis of presences or absence of flowers, flowering plants, non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. They produce flowers during their life cycle: rose plants, sunflower plants, orange plant. New flowering plants are grown with seeds. Non-flowering plants. They don't produce flowers during their life cycle. Ferns, mosses, conifers. New non-flowering plants are grown with seeds or spores. Similarities. Flowering non-flowering plants, roots, stem and leaves, chlorophyll, green pigment, prepare food by photosynthesis. Differences. Flowering plants. They produce flowers. Non-flowering plants. They don't produce flowers. Flowering plants. They produce fruits. Non-flowering plants. They don't produce fruits. Flowering plants. They produce seeds. Non-flowering plants. They produce seeds or spores. Flowering plants. Seeds are enclosed in fruits. Non-flowering plants. Seeds are naked, i.e., not covered. Flowering plants. Reproduction takes place by seeds. Non-flowering plants. Reproduction takes place by seeds or spores. Plants. There are two types of plants: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Examples of flowering plants are rose, sunflower, mango, papaya. Non-flowering plants. Seed-producing, non-flowering plants. Examples: Gymnosperms cycas, pine, cedrus, etc. Spore-producing, non-flowering plants. Examples: liverworts, mosses, ferns, etc. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.